What if I told you you don't need a gym, expensive equipment, or even supplements to build an aesthetic body in just 30 days? This is not a motivation video. This is a real transformation journey, backed by discipline, science, and consistency. Day 1 versus day 30 will shock you. Most people fail in fitness, not because they are weak, but because they are inconsistent. They start strong, but quit in 5 days. No plan, no discipline, no system. This 30-day challenge is simple. No gym, no excuses. Just bodyweight training at home. Push-ups, squats, planks, pull-ups if possible. 30 to 45 minutes a day. That's it. The first week is always the hardest. Your body hurts, your mind resists. But this is where most people quit and where winners are created. Something changes in week 2. Your body adapts, energy increases. You start feeling stronger. Now, people start noticing. Your posture improves. Confidence builds. You don't just look better, you feel unstoppable. This is where transformation becomes visible. Muscles defined, fat reduced. Discipline built. You are no longer the same person. No extreme dieting, just simple rules. Eat clean, protein-rich meals. Drink water. Avoid junk. Consistency beats perfection. Your body changes when your mind changes. Discipline is doing what you hate, but doing it anyway. Motivation fades, but discipline stays. 30 days. No gym, no excuses, just consistency. If you commit, your life can change. Start today, not tomorrow. If you want more motivation, body transformation video, so please like my video, share, and also subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. See you in next video. Take care.